Welcome to the Leadership Conversation, a collaborative online community developed by the Center for Creative Leadership and Nomadic Learning. The Leadership Conversation provides you with access to the best leadership education in the world through a platform that connects you with fellow leaders at all levels from across industries and from around the world. In the Leadership Conversation, there are two main ways to learn: programs and resources. Resources are designed for you to study before, after, and during your programs. They might be a case, an article, or some practical how-tos that can be explored quickly. When you open a resource, you might see some text, a video, and a quick quiz, as well as some recommended additional resources to help you create a personalized learning journey. Resources are there for you to learn what you like, when you like, and are exclusive to Leadership Conversation members. Now let's go back and show you more about programs. Programs are studied with a team of your peers and take about 4 to 6 weeks to complete. In the Leadership Conversation, you'll start with at least 4, and more will be added over the course of your membership. Remember, everything you do in your program is done in a team of your peers. You'll share ideas and best practices with your team and engage in a friendly competition to reach the top of a program leaderboard. Let's take a look inside. On your program landing page, you'll see several learning modules. We call these field manuals. Each field manual is a blend of text, images, videos, and interactive elements with multiple opportunities to interact with your fellow leaders. You can check your progress, navigate to other field manuals, and jump back to the program homepage from the side menu. As well as a collaborative learning experience, the Leadership Conversation also has a friendly competitive element. You'll earn points as you progress through the program and will be ranked on a leaderboard. You can also check out all the conversations happening in every field manual in the conversation page, as well as start new conversations by hitting the New Conversation button. That's about it. Join the Leadership Conversation today and become a better leader while developing a global network of fellow leaders.